Okay, hello everyone and welcome to this week's lesson for Sensual Bachata. This is our second week. So essentially what we were doing today is we were doing our isolations but in partner work. So basically the whole thing with isolations is if you as a lead can do it, you should be leading your follow to do it because you can do it, if that makes sense. So the first thing that's really important to know whenever we do our isolations is for our hip isolations, first off, it's pretty difficult to lead any kind of a hip isolation with a partner if you don't have some kind of a physical connection. So the physical connection that we were talking about during class today was having our knee-to-knee connection. Obviously, if you're not comfortable doing this, that's totally okay, but it does make it a little bit more difficult, and you might not be able to get as much of a firm connection for hip movement. Okay, so we're doing this knee-to-knee isolation, or the connection, and then in this connection, both the leads and the follows are providing enough pressure, kind of like whenever we did this exercise, we're leaning in towards each other. We're giving the same amount of pressure that the lead is giving the follow in this connection at the knee. So when we're in this position, we need to bend our knees, and we are, giving a little bit of energy towards each other. We can do our hips side to side, kind of looks like this side to side. And the lead is leading the follow to do it because they can do it themselves. Okay. The other thing that the follow can do is the follow can sandwich the lead's leg in between their own. So just like this, just on either side, and it just helps maximize the connection between the two people. Whenever we're doing these hip isolations, we want to be in the sensual closed position. So this very nice connection here, side to side. Okay. All right, so the next thing that we did is we were talking about the chest isolations. So for chest isolations, did you want to go over this?
Yeah, so what we did was kind of in sensual connection, kind of have the follows do an open and close, open and close. And then however we felt that as the leads, that's how we led it. So this would be open, and then this would be close. Open, close, open, close, open, and close. Make sure that we're also, just because we're opening and the follow knows that we're closing next, just make sure that you're still putting the pressure with the top of your hand to close.
Yeah. And one thing also, whenever the leads are connected with the follows, we don't want it to be like you're closing a box. You want to be rotisserie in terms of like where your hand is and how it's leading. So opening is opening up, or for example, if you had 2 cups, you're pouring it out this way, and then the other way if you're pouring the cups, closing this way. So opening and then closing, and then opening and closing. But yeah, so we did that in closed connection, the central closed. So we did opening and then closing, and open and then close, and open and close. So one thing to note here is we are not going forward and back for opening and closing. We're staying where we are and just opening and closing of the chest. Their hips stay still whenever we're doing this type of isolation. We also did side to side. Do you want to go over that?
Yeah, so for side to side, again, we're in the closed position here. And we are also going with the follow, with leading with our chest. So we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So make sure that we're just moving our upper body here. We're just isolating our upper body with our chest.
And we basically just put all of those in a little combination together in the middle of the class. So the combination that we did was going right together, left together, opening together, and then closing, and then together, and then just repeating it over and over.
Then we smoothed it out. So it's going like this. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bug. Anyways, but yeah, so whenever we do the rotation and going around in a circle, as follows and leads, we want to think we're going through the edges of the actual turn, or not the turn, the isolation. So if we're starting over to the right, we're going to think, and we're going towards the back, we're going to think go through the back corner and then close, and we're going through the back corner and to the left, through the front corner and open into the front, and then through the front right corner and then going over to the right.
And as leads here, you're leading it by going left with your chest, and then again doing the opening and close, but you start out with your left, travel to your right, going to your right, and then the middle, and then again the left, going in a circular motions, just kind of smoothing it out, opening. You open the left and open the right.
Okay, and then we'll just show a little sneak peek of the kind of combo that we're trying to get us to learn. Okay, so it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we'll be learning that at the beginning next time. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next week.
Thank you.